Welcome back, students. So in this session, we will discuss about how to perform A power n and B power n in push-down automata. So normally push-down automata will be having stack in the form of memory. So A power n, B power n in push-down automata. In push-down automata, that is PDA. So the language will be L equal to A power n, B power n, where n greater than or equal to 1. So the logic behind this is A should come first. A should come first, then B. That is the logic. Okay. So here I am taking n equal to 2. So input will be AA, BB. So this is the tape of the push down automata. So finally there will be blank in order to represent the end of the input. Right hand side blank will be there in order to represent the end of the input. And as it is a push down automata, we will be having the stack for processing the input, and we will be having the finite control here. This finite control, which is having the head pointer, will be processing the operation. So initial element of the stack will be Z0. So we cannot make the stack empty. Initially, we will be having one element in the stack that is called as Z0. So as we are having stack as a memory unit, so there are two operations in stack. One is push operation, another one is pop operation. One operation is push operation, another one is pop operation. So what I am going to do is, in order to justify equal number of A's and equal number of B's, the one logic is A should come first, then B, then second logic is equal number of A's and B's. We have to justify that equal number of A's and B's. Okay, both the A and B should be equal. So initially, the head will be pointing the initial element of the stack in the left hand side. In the right hand side, the head pointer will be seeing the initial element which is present in the tape. Okay. So when you are seeing A, the A will be pushed into the stack. The A will be pushed into the stack. Okay. Then you are now, while you are seeing this A in the tape, this A will be pushed into the stack. Now the pointer will be pointing this A. The pointer will be pointing this A. The next thing, after performing the operation in this A, the second thing will be the A will be pointing the second, this pointer will be pointing the second A, which will be pushed in the next cell of the stack, which will be pushing the pushing the A in the next cell in the stack. Now this pointer will be pointing this A. So at this stage, the pointer which is located near the stack will be pointing this top element, that is A, the second A, and this head, the pointer which is pointing towards the tape will be pointing this B, because this A has been, first A and second A has been pushed into the stack. It has been pushed into the stack successfully. Now, when you are seeing first B, the pointer will be pointing the stack pointer will be pointing the initial element of the stack, the not initial element of the stack, top element of the stack. So while you are seeing this B, one A will be popped. One A will be popped. This is the one step. The next step, when you are seeing the second B, the next A. Now this A will be the top element of the stack. So for this B, another one A will be popped. Now you can see here, two A's are pushed initially. After, when you are seeing the two B's, two A's are popped. So we can justify that two A's and two B's are present here, and that is equal number of A's and equal number of B's. Finally, the pointer will be moving to the right hand side to the tape, that will be pointing the blank, and in the stack the pointer will be pointing to the initial element of the stack, that is Z0. Finally, if you are having initial element of the stack as well as the tape element if blank means, then your input string is right. So if in some cases, if the user gives any wrong input, either in the stack one element will be left alone, or in the tape one input element will be left alone with the blank. Okay, in this case we are having n equal to 2, so 2a and 2b has been equalized. So in order to perform the automata diagram for this, I am starting with the initial state q0, then I am putting the loop. So initially, so there will be, you know that this transition will be having left hand side and right hand side. In the left hand side, the first element is the tape element. Okay, what is the element present in the tape? A. Then what is the initial element of the stack? Z0. So after performing the operation, what operation will be performed? Push operation. Now the right hand side, it will be mentioned as top two elements of the stack. What is the top two element of the stack? After pushing this A Z0 will be there. Okay, so A Z0. Now for second A, again this will be the now this A has been completed its operation, it has been pushed into the stack. Now you are seeing this A. Previously, what is the top element of the stack? This A comma A, and after pushing this A, it will, what are the two top elements of the stack? Now this A will be the top element of the stack. A. So now the push operation has been completed. Perform another one state Q1. Now you see here, for 1B, 1A has been popped. 1A should be popped. So in the left hand side, the first element is B. We are seeing B. Now what will be the top element of the stack? A. You are going to perform pop operation. This A has been popped. Epsilon indicates that in push down automata, epsilon indicates that the particular element is popped in the stack. Okay, so this should be continued until number of A's. Okay, so B comma A, again epsilon. So for next B, now what is the top element of the, this B is represented here, comma, top element of the stack is A, because this A has been popped in the previous transition. So B comma A comma epsilon slash epsilon. Now the head will be pointing blank in the tape, and the head will be pointing Z0 in the stack. So this is the final state. Blank comma Z0 slash, what is the initial element of the stack? Z0. Okay, so this is what the final state in push down automata. I hope you can understand.